Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. Okay, so first you have to come see this is gigabyte.com, www.gigabyte.com. After that you can see this is search box. You can search anything else. Click on search and then enter your model number of motherboard B650M D2H and then hit enter. Then scroll down this one B650M D2H, just click on, then click on support. Select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So if you any using, no worry about it because the installations process same. Chipset driver, AMD chipset, this is 71 size, and just click to download. Then it is completed, just open it, double click to launch. Then click to yes. And then close it.